You ready for some more? Yummy.
Oh. You're almost done. You gonna finish it up for us?
Yummy stuff. No need your fingers. Don't talk with your mouth full. Mommy doesn't want to see it. Mommy doesn't want to see that.
Swallow that down there, big boy.
Here, act like you're eating something. Swallow that bite. Swallow that bite.
He needs to swallow. Swallow it down.
Oh, there it
Here we
goes.
go.
Back in the mouth. Good job.
Some of it went down.
Yeah. Open.
Do you like making a mess?
Say yes, Daddy, and you get to clean it.
No. It's Mother's Day and all, but Mama made that mess.
Big bite. Hi. Is that good stuff? You almost had your whole bowl.
Hi, big boy.
Oh.
Oh. You like that? What is that face?
That was serious face right there.
Are you trying to determine the flavor of that rice?
It's like it tastes better if it had some chocolate in it. Yeah, or some marshmallows.
Swallow it down. Swallow. Swallow. Go num num num.
Nummy nummy. You're a messy eater.
Nope,
Uh-oh.
all of it.
Ooh.
I think
Your
that's
little
probably good,
hand.
huh?
With your little hand.
I think that's it, buddy. Let's just swallow that down. Let's swallow that down.
You got one more bite. One more bite.
And the 4 letters on his bed.
Yep. He's going to save those for later.
I think he's done. I think he's done.
Oh.
You're just making a big mess now. You're just making a big mess now. You're just making a mess.
Oh, that was lovely, Colin. Oh.
Okay, I'm turning it off. Say bye.